Hello dear students, in today's class we will discuss freedom of expression. So let's start the class and discuss the topic. Dear students, one of the area where minimum constraints or minimum limitations must be imposed is freedom of expression. In other words, we can say freedom of expression must be free from external restrictions or constraints as much as possible. And there is a statement from J.S. Mill in which he expresses the freedom of expression. At various times, we have been demanded to ban books. Dear students, we notice several times that some demands for banning some books, plays, academic articles or research journals, or sometimes demand for banning a movie also arises in the different parts of countries and world, because people find there something offensive or against them, and that's why they use their right to express and protest against that article or book or play or movie. That is why right to expression is important, and as it is the fundamental value and for the society, it must be willing to bear some convenience to protect it from people who want to restrict it. Okay, as freedom of expression is fundamental and one of the basic values of society, that's why this must be protected from being violated by some other people who want to restrict it. In some cases, we see that there was director Deepa Mehta who wanted to make a film that was based on the widows of Varanasi or Banaras. So it was banned because against it protest was held, and the reason sought was that the movie uh, will expose the condition of widows in India all over the world, and other countries will think that conditions of widows are is miserable in India. So that was protested and banned. And here are some more examples like Ramayana retold by uh, Abre Menon, the static verses by Salman Rushdie, they were also banned after protest from some sections of society. But banning is not a proper way, because when we ban something, after some time, same situations or some similar situations also occur. So banning is not a permanent solution. That is why a censor board is constituted. Then censor board removes the offensive portions of movies, plays, whatever it has, and constraints of different kind of thus exist, and we are subject to them in different sections. That is why constraints of different kinds exist in the society, and we follow them in different situations, and those constraints are quite reasonable, and they are for positive liberty. And by following those constraints, we keep our beliefs, ideas, as well as others safe. And finally we can say that the freedom is absence of external constraints, and freedom of expression is the freedom where minimum constraints from the government, state, as well as society be imposed. It means freedom of expression must be almost free from restrictions, and those restrictions are made by either a state or a society. So chapter here completes here, and if you have any doubt you can ask through comment box. And at last, thank you for watching this video.